Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on euro currency. So yesterday we've got the CPI numbers. They were a bit contradictory. So from the one point of view it was below expectations, but from the another point of view inflation still has shown the upward direction. So actually we have the 2 decimal points rising on month-on-month basis, and that might be the first signs of the inflationary spiral that we expect actually in the nearest few months. So as we said in our weekly reports, if you remember in August data and in September, where we were watching for increasing on inflation. If you have read our gold analysis weekly report on the gold market 2 weeks ago, there we were taking a look at the crude oil prices, and it's unavoidably should rise, and that definitely will appear in the CPI because all goods are transporting, and it's definitely we will get actually the rising of the CPI, and maybe current upside tick in the CPI. It's also maybe the first sign of the coming stronger increasing. So today we will get the PPI numbers. Actually, I'm not expecting too much because across the globe we see the deflationary processes in the production sector in China and Germany and the United States as well. We were talking about this very often recently, and probably PPI hardly will bring any surprises. Michigan sentiment also stands below the 50 marking for a long time already, and here's also hardly we will get some improvement. That's why mostly all the database already stands in place for the current week, and supposedly we could now make the decision on a possible position taking. Speaking in particular on the daily chart, you could see that this is obviously not the performance that market usually shows when it's reversed up. So it compares this one to this one. That mostly reminds me the performance when market stands just upon the level, showing minor consolidation, trading out this level and preparing for the breakout, because we definitely have the flag consolidation inside some kind of the ABCD. All this stuff are really bearish features, and currently I suppose that the chance on the downward breakout here looks better than the possible reversal. From that standpoint, we probably could start choosing the moment for position taking. On the 4-hour time frame chart, market has done precisely things that we talked about, has completed moving this ABCD pattern, but failed to break the 1040 resistance that we mentioned as well. So as we said, to start talking about the bullish position, we have to see that market is forming a reversal swing and just breaking out of this 1040. That has not happened. The things that we have got, let's take a look, wash and rinse of these previous tops, butterfly reversal pattern, and actually strong collapse. So if you combine 4 bars here, you will see huge bearish engulfing pattern. That in turn could trigger the chain of the bearish action. First, this will be downside ABCD with this engulfing that will lead market back to the lows, and next step might be it's already the failure of the hand and shoulders that should push price lower below the head. And in turn, that could mean that market could keep going to, say, maybe some support areas, because 618 support level, because this is 50%. So that's into words that we could expect in the nearest time. So if you are searching chance to go short, you could consider probably these 2 levels. For this, our initial risk will be above this 1065 level. You need to manage your risk and decide how and at what points you will take the position. I always talk about the splitting of the position because it's very comfortable and good, and it gives the good result. So you could take some part somewhere in this area, add more, and the market will show some pullback and so some strong upward direction. For example, on the PPI numbers, who knows what will happen. Of course, you could try to catch the precise reversal point to the downside. It's a bit more difficult, but if you have an experience, why not? It's also could be done. That's into words that we have on the 4 time frame chart. We also could get the bearish grabber here. As you can see, market is calling around. This candle is not completed yet. Here we have first minor grabber. This is another one, but here is it showing that we do not have it. It's probably this indicator doesn't show it. That probably here was closed still above the MACD, but I have some doubts on this. So so what we have here, 108.89, close was 108.98, 108.85. Well, here it seems we also have the grabber, so that might be the second one. And well, in general, it's just decide where you will take the position. So that's actually all that we could say concerning the euro currency. Let's see what will happen on data release, and let's keep watching.